Holland has a long history of cocoa processing. Two important breakthroughs in processing cocoa beans are Dutch inventions: the pressing process and the alkalization technique. Both inventions date back to the early part of the 19th century. Gerken's is the meeting point of this Dutch tradition, with the use of advanced technology to generate maximum value for its customers. Cargill has 4 plants, conveniently located along the River Zaan, about 15 kilometers north of Amsterdam. In an effort to drive costs out of the supply chain, Cargill was the first to explore the most efficient way of shipping and handling cocoa beans in bulk. The 225,000 metric tons of beans we process in those plants are predominantly from West Africa. We grind beans from the Ivory Coast, Ghana, Cameroon, and Nigeria. The sourcing capabilities of Cargill in all main cocoa growing areas allow us to blend beans into a consistent mix. The main products we produce in those plants are a full range of cocoa liquors, whereby specific bean origins are possible, deodorized and non-deodorized cocoa butters, and high and low-fat cocoa powder in many different color and flavor profiles. The cocoa products produced in Holland carry the traditional brand Gerken's. The products are exported all over the world. The main cocoa butter and cocoa liquor markets are located in Europe. The USA is the largest market for cocoa powder, followed by Germany, France, Italy, and Japan. Cargill in Holland offers extensive help about application questions. The logistics group is eager to cooperate with customers to make transport, documentation, warehousing, and handling cost-effective.